Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you how you can separate audio or extract the audio from your video clips in a CapCut video editor in 2025. So let us get started. Alright guys, so navigate to your video project in the CapCut application and right click into the given video clip on your timeline. Let me go with this one here. Of course, make sure that the given video clip features sound, for example audio, to extract it. So right click into it and you will see these options. Here, for example, let me find it, extract audio. So let me go, for example, with this video clip here because it features some audio actually. And now the option will be enabled, as you can see. So you may click into it or use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift. However, guys, as you can see, this option is or can only be used with a specific membership here in CapCut. So I can use it only one time, and after that, CapCut will ask me to upgrade my membership. So let me do it for demonstration purposes. Click into extract audio, and after that the audio from that video clip will be extracted and positioned on a separate audio track below, so that you may, for example, right click into it and delete it, for instance. And that's it guys, that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.